Keep pushing, deep breath in and out, allowing those muscles to release. Remember, we have to breathe to release. And go ahead and smooth it out, bringing that leg gently forward and back. Forward and back. Very nice. Get into it. Again, slight body roll motion. As that leg goes back, your upper body goes forward. As the leg goes forward, your upper body goes back. Your hips sit back. Extremely feminine movement. All right, come back into that quad stretch for a moment. Press into it. Beautiful. Gently release. Come to your belly again. Shake out your hips as you bring your forehead to the backs of your hands. Allow your entire body to relax. Pull your left knee up, and you're going to gently press into your hands and lower right back down. We're just going to do 5. Engaging your abs gently to protect your back. 4. 3. 2. 1. Switch sides. Right knee up. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Back to your belly. Shake it out gently, side to side. Amazing. All fours, small circles in the hips, keeping your back super flat.